sponsored by NRtravel.com.
In today's video, I will be reviewing my experience at the Atlantis Dunes in Cape Town for some ATV riding. I arrived at the dunes early in the afternoon when the sun has warmed the white sand. As soon as I stepped out, the dunes stretched out endlessly in front of me like a bright rolling desert. After a quick safety briefing, I checked in with the team, got my helmet, and felt that rush of excitement start to build. Standing at the edge of those massive dunes, I knew the ATV ride was going to be an adventure. I hopped onto the ATV and headed into the dunes. The engine buzzed beneath me as I picked up speed, carving my way up the sandy slopes and gliding down the other side. The wind whipped past my helmet, and every turn felt like equal parts excitement and freedom. I stopped at the top of one of the highest dunes to take in the view, clear, blue sky above, endless waves of sand below. Riding through those dunes felt like pure adventure. By the time I headed back, I was dusty, tired, and smiling nonstop, but I still had to get some pictures of my time here. After the ATV ride, I took one last look at the sandhills, carrying the thrill of the ride with me. For more information about the Atlantis Dunes, see description box below.